Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya and Shravia's Kitchenette. Today I am introducing one variety mixed vegetable korma recipe. It's a very rich recipe which we can have with roti, rice, paratha. Let us go to the preparation straight away. Here I have taken a frying pan to which I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter starts melting, you can add 100 grams of paneer to it and give it a good mix till the paneer turns light brown. Mix it frequently. Then we can keep the fried paneer aside. Then we will add little more butter to it, and then we will add 2 to 3 green chilies, 3 garlic, 1 small ginger, 2 to 3 dry chilies, and onions and tomatoes, and give it a good mix. We will mix it till the onion turns transparent and the tomatoes are well mixed with the gravy. At this point of time I have added little salt as per taste. I have added half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Now 4 to 5 cashew nuts I have added, and we will fry it with this onion mixture. Now our onion ginger is ready. Once we will keep it aside, and once it get cooled down, we will grind it into a fine paste. Then I have taken here another pan to which I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I will add the mixed vegetables. Here I have taken carrot, long beans, green peas. You can take mushrooms as well if available, or cauliflower also. And now we will fry it in this oil. Now we can see that the vegetables are almost cooked. To this I have added boiled potatoes. I have boiled potatoes separately, adding little turmeric powder and salt, and the boiled potatoes I have mixed with this vegetable. At this point of time, we will add the onion paste, the onion ginger garlic paste, and give it a good mix so that the vegetables get mixed with this gravy. At this point of time, we will add our masalas. Here I have taken half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of chili powder, and garam masala powder, which includes fennel seeds, cardamom, and cinnamon sticks powder. Give it a very good mix. Let the masala mix with the vegetables properly. Now we can open the lid and add 1.5 cup of water and give it a good mix. Make sure that the gravy should not be very loose, it should be thick. some time. At this point of time, I have added the fried paneer. Give it a mix. Now we'll close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see the gravy has started boiling. Now I am adding here fresh cooking cream to enhance the texture and the taste of the kurma. Then I am adding here kasuri methi. Our kurma is almost ready now. We can keep it aside. Now we will take another pan. To this I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. Half teaspoon of chili powder. And a pinch of hing or asafoetida, and give it a mix. We should not burn the mixture. Then we will mix that in our kurma to give it an excellent color. So now our kurma is ready. We can have this with rice, chapati, parota. So make sure like you prepare it and share your comments. I hope you all like my recipe. Thanks a lot.